Alright guys, on this episode of Why Am I Doing This to Myself, we are going to give the paint a little brightening. We are going to comet wash and SOS pad the paint on the old 78 Dodge. Now you'll have to forgive the wind a little bit, but it is nature. So I am going to get to this, and I'm going to do most of it on camera and some of it off camera, because how much do you really want to see me washing a vehicle? But let's see if we can get it improved. Well, there is some merit to it, that's for sure. I can tell you there's a difference on that passenger door. The white, the blue has come back to brightness a little again, and the white on the door is popping right out. I'm gonna keep on rolling. Now, standing in the sun, I don't know what you're gonna get to see, but you notice how this is just paler and chalkier. The white is quite a lot dirtier as well. This turned out really sweet. Still have to do the truck box, but I have the complete cab, fenders, hood, doors. I even scrubbed the glass a little bit, and the chrome trim and the bumper. Yeah, pretty good. Alright guys, the front is done. So's my shirt. And it's time to do the truck box. Here goes nothing. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here with the SOS pad. Yeah. Keep your eye on that little rust boil right there. See how it's got a trail of rust coming off of it? And that is stained right into the paint. Well, look at it. this off for you. Gone. More so, I don't know if you can pick it up or not, but there's a bunch of dark staining here. It's from the weather and tree sap and mold, and I'm not scrubbing hard at all. But look at that difference, huh? Beautiful. There we have it, guys. I gotta say, if you look pretty close, like, that paint is clean. No more black spots all over it. No more nasty, grimy ick. No more big old rust stains. Tailgate shined up really good. Passenger side looks just as good as the driver's side. Boy, I gotta say, that's pretty happy. Yeah, I've also gone ahead and I vacuumed out the interior. Not that it really needed it, but I had some clutter in there and some dust and dirt from getting in and out and working on it. And, well, we've got some floor mats in her now. The dash is as complete as it's going to be for now. Seat belts are starting to work. This old truck is, she's a runner. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to leave this video right there. I hope some of you found it good. And if you didn't, well, stay tuned for the next one. We're going to take her for a little drive and see how she does. I'm Dave from Dave's Glory Shop Works. Thank you all for following along, and we'll see you on the next one.